Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. Excuse, I do have a cold going on, so we might be kind of struggling with this, but I wanted to share some items because some are going to be Christmas gifts that I'm going to have to mail off, so I want to show them to you before I send them off. And an ideal which I wanted to share with you with my daughter. She has small children at home, including the youngest as a 2-year-old. And I don't know if she doesn't have, well, I know mostly, one of the problems I've seen her place, I mean, she might not have the room to put up a tree, but you know, the toddler, the little one, probably just get into the tree. So her alternative was to make a crocheted a Christmas tree, a star, and hung it from the ceiling, which I thought was pretty cool. Like, you know, it says, I taught her, I realized that it was almost a year since I taught her how to crochet, but anyway, I asked permission to come over and show this on my channel, and she did, and here's a picture of it, because she wanted to do something. She put lights in it, and it looked kind of cool, but she did share with me the pattern she did, and they are written patterns. I didn't try the star yet, but I did do the tray. This is 2 strands of yarn together. One's green and one, I don't know if I have any of that over here right now. Let's see. Oh, one strand was this stuff, which I think I got off Temu. This other one was from Dollar Tree. I thought that looked pretty good. She mentioned to me that she couldn't figure out, because at one point you got to turn to make the little shells here, and she couldn't figure that out, so she just went around. So I'm thinking that the problem was that part of the pattern you had to work, well, to make you make the shells in the back loop, and then you have to turn and then work in the back loop and the third loop, and even I just recently knew where the third loop was on a half double crochet. So I was going to save this, but usually if you fold it, if you turn to fold it back, right now I got single crochets, but you could see where you needed to go. So anyway, I thought that was cute. So I made one. Now that they don't have, it was assumption that it was either going to hold on its own, or you add a piece of styrofoam cones that you can find at craft stores. But you know, make sure it's thick enough so it will stand on its own. I was contemplating making something with some thin cardboard to help support it some more, but it really, if you have it thick enough, it can stand on its own. Yeah, I'll have in the link that just the links to the patterns of the star and the tree and this tree. Okay, so this is going to be mailed off soon, because I was like cleaning and I found, well, I didn't realize I had Christmas towels. So anyway, I improvised and made this. Here, I'm going to take this out for a minute. Had the rings. Yeah, so yeah, the 2 plastic rings, I think I single crochet 50 around the rings, and the special stitch is like the candy stitch. I got several washcloth patterns that have that stitch, but yeah, I like that. That is pretty cool. So this will be a gift, and the towel, you can, I think I left this a neutral enough color that she could probably do this with any. You hang that over. Hopefully, I haven't been to her house in a long time. I don't even know. Hopefully she has something to hang that over, like a stove or refrigerator. That kind of sucked because she didn't have anything to hang that on, but I don't know, I like it. I'm going to have to, I think when I do, I might have to do a tutorial or a pattern on that, because I like how it turned out, to the point where I did another one. I couldn't find any more of the rings. So alternatively, which I might do, I did it around a couple hair bands. Again, same stitch pattern, the candy stitch. Yeah, I'm probably going to use this one for myself, because I like that would be convenient. Some place to put the towel after it's done. I like that. I think definitely be a future tutorial. I might do one with, let me know, maybe prefer with the headband, because you probably easily will find a headband. Though you probably find the rings at any craft store, so. Alright, it's a short video. That's all I have for now. And I gotta go rest, because I'm exhausted still from this cold. So, anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.